Hello everyone. In this video, we'll take a look at the new QCI NPNT Test Tool that has come out recently and how we can use that test tool with the Johnnette's NPNT solution. So to access the test tool, you need to go to the link. The link is provided in the description. And once we are on the link, then we need to sign up. So the sign up process requires us to fill in a few details like your name, your organization name. Then there's your designation. What is your designation? Fill out the designation and then select the type. So if you are a manufacturer or an independent researcher or whatever is your role, so just choose that and then fill in your email address, phone number, and then choose a password for your account. So we click on sign up once we have filled in the details, and once the process is done, then we land on this dashboard. So as you can see, this dashboard has a button on the right side which says generate test case. So before we start to generate a test case, what we will do is we will generate a KML file for the geofence area. So you can use any tool that you like. I'm using the My Maps from Google. Once you're on the Google Maps, you can just type in your location, and once you are on the location, so basically make sure that the location that you're selecting is your flying area. Then click on the marker icon and add the markers. Basically you have to form a polygon using those markers. So just add 4 points like I'm adding here. And once all the 4 points are added, we basically can see these 4 points on the left side. So there are 3 dots. You click on those 3 dots and then you select the option export to KML, and make sure here in this dialog box that is opened up, you check the option, second option, which says export as KML instead of KMZ, so that we export a KML file. So just click on that, and on this select the layer name and then click on download. So once you have downloaded the KML file, we can go back to the NPNT test tool on the QCI's website, and then we'll click on the generate test case button. After clicking on the button, a dialog box opens up. Here we need to fill in all the details regarding our drone and the coordinates. So first of all, we'll fill in the drone ID. The second option is the make, which is basically the manufacturer's name, and the third option is the model number of your drone or the model name of your drone. Then you have 2 options, coordinates or upload KML file. Since we have generated the KML file, we'll just click on the upload KML file option and we'll browse and select the KML file that we just downloaded. And second thing that we need is the PEM file, which is the public key. So the sample public key is provided to the customer when they purchase the solution from us. This key is also available on Digital Sky's GitHub repository. And once all the information is filled in, we can just click on add button. Once you click on add button, you can see there's a test case generated. So we need to click on the generated button and this will download the test case for us. Now that we have downloaded the test cases, so you can see on the left side of the screen there is the Johnnette's NPNT solution software. So once we fill in the IP address of the module and hit connect, so now we select the permission and then we click on send to RFM button. So the light in the module goes yellow and then green, and we get a confirmation message on the console in the software which says all the checks have been passed and your drone is ready to arm. The green light on the module indicates that the permission was a valid permission. Now let's consider a case wherein we send the wrong permission. So we select that permission. Once the permission is selected, then we click on send to RFM button, and it says the geofence check pass is failed, which means this permission was not a valid permission. For any further information or inquiries about the NPNT solution, you can get in touch with us at the information provided. Thank you very much for watching the video.